It's unboxing time.
Alright, we have a package straight off of the slow boat from China. I can assure you what's in here is not what it claims right here. It says arrow rest. It's not an arrow rest. But it is archery equipment. So, let's get to opening this up. Note, small amount of possible shipping damage. Not greatly packaged, but let's get opening.
But before we open it, what do you think is inside this? It's related with arrows, and comment down below what you think it is. So,
and it only took us twice to get it here. The first one fell off the boat.
okay, so let's get to unboxing it.
Note, parents, dangerous things you should let your kids do. Use a pair of scissors.
Okay. I'm just gonna do it this way. So it's not as thick.
So the bubble wrap makes it hard to cut through.
But if I only do one layer of bubble wrap, it's way easier to do this. Darn it. Okay, going, ripping it.
Alrighty. We have a basic hunter topoint, 2-point archery. So, did you figure it out? This is a 3-pin arrow sight, archery sight, bow sight. They call it the Basic Hunter TP1550. Supposed to be a 5-pin fiber optic. So did it have 5 pins in there? I surely only see 3.
Let me look.
So maybe they've got the wrong detail right there.
Or
Durable bright fiber wrapped pins, enlarged circular field of view.
glow in the dark shooter ring, a light peep sight for both left and right hand shooters. See
Level with 2 vertical bars.
CNC
Machined.
fully assembled.
Alright. And reference marking for elevation and windage adjustments.
I wonder what this thing is.
So,
Take this off first.
that is some sticky tape.
Yeah. There we go. There. And yeah.
Alright.
It looks like something that will help it stay on.
Let's see what we have here. We have a couple of staples holding the package together. None of that fancy ultrasonic welding on this plastic. Alright. So included in the package. Oh. Yep, there we go. We have the, I'll see if this focuses, the 2-point archery logo.
And also a little holder to screw in the
So, I'll show you where this little thing goes in a moment.
These
Well,
are
let's cover the features that we have here. So, we have our mounting holes. We have our adjustments with a single clamp topoint hex. Uses the spring of the metal to release that and then clamp it back down with the bolt. We have our adjustments for the pins, and like I said, there are only 3 pins here. I ordered 3 pins, so I'm not surprised, but the package said 5. Wonder why that is.
Package must be wrong.
Package must be wrong. Alright.
Robert's probably printed it wrong.
So somewhere, you see the slit right here. That slit is for the clamping along here. And so the clamp bolt for that portion is down here. And loosen that, and then you can slide this piece up and down. Clamp, tighten it back up there. Undo that one, and you can move this piece back and forth so you can sight in your bow. And you've got your bubble level. And then there is a big threaded hole here.
Which is probably for this. I was right.
Alright, so we have that threaded in, and somehow, let's see if we can figure out how. There we go. We adjust this part.
Why do we
Maybe
adjust?
there we go.
Oh.
You see that light turn on and brighten up those fiber optic points.
Let's turn it off so we don't waste batteries.
So you have to reach down, turn. It's a little stiff on that little tiny battery contact. Alright. So how excited are you?
Really excited. Can't wait till I can use it.
So somebody just recently started learning about archery target practice, and so need to have this mounted, but that should be a lot of fun. I've been out of archery for a long time.
But he still remembers some of the stuff.
Alright everybody, there's our little interesting find for the week. Alright, so one of the things that we need to still open is the included tools. What do we have?
A sight and some of these like screwdrivers.
Hex wrenches.
Oh, hex wrenches. Okay.
So let's open these up. We have 3 sizes here.
We gotta find out which one fits these screws.
So, I don't know if I can see, or even if they're labeled, what they are.
This one's one.
Oh, you found the one, but I was trying to see what sizes we got. I do not see any types of markings at all indicating what size these hex wrenches are. Well, mystery. Alright, so first thing, we've determined that we need to remove these screws. The position that these, well, they're technically not screws, bolts. The bolts are in are a position to hold them, but these other 4 holes are the positions where the bolts actually need to go.
And where they'll fit into the bow better than on these spots.
Okay, you want to see a trick? Oh, very good. Spin, 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 spin. Like this. Yep, like that. Perfect. Much faster.
Wow.
Okay. That works great when there's no pressure. Okay, so we have here an old Bear Archery Warrior 3 bow. Just what we were able to find at a thrift shop. So looking at this, I'm pretty sure
it's supposed to go on that side.
we want it on this side and want it in those positions. Okay, you want to thread those bolts down?
Yep.
Make sure you start it with your fingers before you use the... Oh, that looks cross-threaded.
Yeah. Huh. It's like it is supposed to be
Okay.
threaded.
Let me pick this up and make sure that we're lined up. Okay, here's how I start these. Turn it backwards a little bit until you feel the threads catch. And then you can catch the start of the threads. Alright, let's see that other bolt. Other bolt.
Bolt.
Let's see if this one will start.
I wonder what this hex nut shape is for.
That is a good question. I don't think I saw that in the manual for this bow. These,
Maybe
I'm wondering if these bolts are not the right thread
with this bow.
for this bow. Because those seem very tight, like they're cross-threading. So let's try taking them off and see if we can start it. Nope. We just chipped a little bit there.
With the paint. Other
Let's
side?
try the other side. Oh,
Ow.
sorry. Yep. These bolts are too thick for this bow.
Oh, darn it.
Well, we'll have to mount that up and get it sighted in at the range later.
Yep.
Alright, everybody. Have a good one. Don't forget to ask questions and
Try